Hey, what's up? This is Seafood Cuddle, and I have Ian here with me, and we're going to be going over a backward roll for children's martial arts. Now, these are the drills that I usually do with my kids in kids class, and these are great ways that you can develop for your own child or your own students on their backward rolls. Okay, so this is how I usually start. We'll have from square one, what we'll do is go ahead and squat down all the way and then hug your knees. So I want you to start from this position. Okay, now what I'll have him do, go ahead and turn sideways so they can see, is hold on to the knees. He's going to rock back and then back up. Well, not sideways, straight up. Try it again. Rock back and then back up. Okay? Now we'll usually do about 10 of those. Again, go ahead and rock back and then back up. I'm putting my hand behind his head not to lift him up, but to make sure that he doesn't slam his head against the ground. The most important thing is that you tuck your chin while you do it. Go ahead and rock back and then back up. If he needs help, I'll actually do it from here, or go ahead and rock back one more time, or I'll use my hands on his feet to pull him up. Okay? Now, once that's done, we'll start working on, we'll take out a big kicking shield like this. Go ahead and stand up. And what I'll do is this rocking back gets a nice rounded posture. They get an understanding of just the feeling of staying rounded in motion. I'll have him turn away from the pad, and then I bring it right up to his heels. He's going to cross his arms on his chest, and then he's going to have a seat right at the edge of the pad. Now, once he's here, he's going to rock back, keeping his chin tucked so he doesn't hit his head. And once he gets to about here, he's going to kick his legs out, and then I'm going to bring him all the way over. And then again, all the way up. You want to finish all the way up, guard stance. Good, let's try it again. Now the first couple times, go ahead, it's fine. Now the first couple of times, I'll have them start from a sitting position. I'll put my hand behind the calf, my hand behind the neck, just to make sure that they roll straight back, and then they can understand bringing the feet over the shoulder at the same side and then popping up. One more time here. But once they get used to it, I may only just bring the feet to start them back and then let the gravity of falling off the pad help them finish the roll. A roll is not something you can do slowly. It's something that you have to just go with the flow. Come on back, let's do it again. Now, once he's used to this, actually this time I want you to do it from standing. Okay, so come on back up. He's gonna have a seat and roll right away. Okay, cross your arms. And then again, a good way to get him to start is to take a pad, then I touch as a way of saying go. Then he's used to popping up. I can put the pad out, he can give it a nice kick. Okay, again. Ready? Good, one more time. Wait, from standing. Now the touch is a good thing instead of saying go, because in the mind he has to think go. But when I touch here, and he knows that he has to react, and this is where it becomes more important because he's going to have to do backward rolls when he gets pushed back or shoved back, not when somebody says go, okay? And again, ready? Good, all right. Now, one of the ways that we can emphasize swinging the feet over is to have a seat. Actually, this time, what you're going to do is face that way. Put this between your feet, squeeze it. Now, have a seat. He's going to roll back and toss the pad to me. Swinging his feet all the way over. Let's try it again. Go ahead and put it between your feet. Roll back and toss it to me. Yes, okay? Now, emphasis on this should not be on just the toss, but you'll notice that once they start tossing, they start swinging and kicking their legs over faster, which makes for a more successful backward roll. The last thing is, obviously, to do it without any extra training utilities. So cross your arms. Hey, yeah. And, again, I'm not going to say go, I'm just going to push him back. He can do his roll, he can pop up, and then we can follow up with a punch, a kick, or a combination. Okay? But these are great ways to develop that backward roll for children's martial arts. Okay? So, for Ian and myself, Seafood Cuddle, you guys keep training. We'll see you next time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bam! Fist with a forward.